let's go. Let's go, let's go. I'm sure I'll get through it, but it's not gonna look good. Some would say that when the shelves are empty, you did good, but we know if you're a real bread guy, shelves all the way empty, you missed something. We never want the shelves all the way empty. That rarely happens unless it's really a big snowstorm, or in the case a couple years ago with the pandemic. But normally you want to order to have product in the back of the store and enough on the shelves. You're gonna have stale. You can't avoid it. If you're not doing any stale, you're not doing something right. Let's just be honest. I'm gonna tell you the truth. If you don't have stale, you're not doing something right. If you have too much stale, you're doing something wrong. You have to find that happy medium, somewhere in between where you got your shelves full and you're not bringing back 2 or 3 stacks every other day. That's just what it is. I wish it was different, but it's not. I like to know your thoughts. That's all I got for now. Stay blessed, keep stacking. Let's go, let's go. I want to say thank you to everybody for tuning in and listening. Whatever platform you tuned in on, listened, or watched on, like and subscribe. We appreciate the support. At this time, I just want to say thank you again to everyone who's been showing so much love on Spotify, Facebook, and every other platform that they're using to support this podcast. I hope that what you heard or saw in this episode brought value to your experience. And hopefully on your journey, you will use what you heard or saw here to help you get better at what you're trying to achieve. In the coming weeks and months, we'll be having more interviews and doing more outside of this platform to give some value to other people in the vendor space. Again, like, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. That's all I got for now. Stay blessed, keep stacking.